Okay, good morning to everyone. So in the last class we have seen the CPU taxonomy, Harvard architecture, Von Neumann architecture, CISC and RISC. So in this unit we are going to see about that ARM processor. So ARM 7 is a Von Neumann architecture. So ARM 9 uses a Harvard architecture. So ARM architecture supports two basic type of data. ARM word is 32-bit long and that word will be divided into 8-bit bytes, 4 8-bit bytes. So these are all the flow control instructions. So EQ stands for that equals 0. So NE not equal to 0, carry set, carry clear, minus and overflow, no overflow, unsigned higher, unsigned lower are same. So unsigned greater than equal to, signed less than, signed greater than, signed less than or equal to. So these are all the flow control operations in ARM processor. So the next one is ARM LPC 2148 series. So that ARM LPC will stands for, the LPC stands for the low power consumption, 24X stands for the IC numbers. Okay, so these are all the ARM LPC 2148 board hardware microprocessor diagram. So what are the features will be available in that features of LPC 2148 series? So the 8 to 40 KB of on-chip static RAM and 32 to 512 KB of on-chip flash memory program. So the 128-bit wide interface accelerator enables high-speed 60 MHz operations. So in-system and in-application programming via on-chip bootloader software. So single flash sector or full chip erase in 400 milliseconds and programming of 256 bytes in 1 milliseconds. So embedded ICE RT and embedded trace interfaces offer real-time debugging with the on-chip real monitor software and high-speed tracing of instruction execution. So USB 2.0 full speed compliant device controlled with 2 KB of endpoint RAM. So in addition, the LPC 2148 and 8 provides a 8 KB of on-chip RAM accessible to USB by DMA. So the 10-bit AD converter provide a total of 6 to 14 analog pins with the conversion times as low as 2.44 microseconds per channel. Then what are the other features of features of LPC 2148 series means single 8-bit DA converters, 32-bit timers, external event counters for capture and 4 compared channels, pulse width unit and a 6 watchdog timer, low power real time clock with independent power and a dedicated 32 kHz clock input, multiple serial interfaces including 2 UART and 2 fast I2C bus with the SPI and SSP signal, buffering and variable data length capability. So vector interrupt controller with configurable priorities and vector addresses. So 25 45 to 5 volt to tolerate fast general purpose IO pins, tiny LQF P64 package, up to 9 edge or level sensitive external interrupt pins. So on-chip integrated oscillator operators with an external crystal in the range of 1 MHz to 30 MHz with an external oscillator up to 50 MHz. So what are the other pins? Other features available in the LPC 2148 series means power saving modes including idle and power down. So individually enable or disable peripheral functions as well as peripheral clock scaling for additional power optimization. So processor wake up and power down mode via external interrupt, USB, Bronet, detect or real time clock. Okay, so these are all the LPC 2148 features. So we are going to see about in the next class the pin descriptions about the ARM LPC 2148. Thank you.